Howdy, happy campers. A mighty fine Sunday night here, just waiting for the Sunday night football game. Well, I thought I'd make this quick video that covers removing the 2021 Toyota RAV4 Prime stock radio. Whether you want to replace the OEM one with an Android unit such as the Dasaita head unit, or an Atoto, or even Jensen, or heck, if you just want to take it apart, to tinker with it like I do. Okay, just for the fun of it. Then keep on watching. As we all know, before you can replace it, you need to know how to take the old one off first. So, if you have a RAV4 Prime, an owner like myself, or even a Toyota RAV4 hybrid owner, for that matter, then this video is for you. Just a few tips before we get started, as there are no commercial breaks here in between. So get your tools ready. You'll need a ratchet with at least a 4-inch extension, 10mm socket, plastic trim removal tool, and the important one, of course, are the towels. You want to protect your investment, protect that dash in your work area, okay? So, enough jibber jabber. Let's get the show on the road, show you how it's done, okay? On a 2021 RAV4 Prime, it probably is the same for any RAV4s or RAV4 hybrids, but this is for the Prime. Again, they all look the same, so it's probably the same. Anyway, you want to get your area prepared. You don't want to damage your investment. You got your trim tools here, got your socket and extension, and a 10mm socket here. I would recommend a wobble. See this right here? Alright, because you're going to get in some tight spaces. You need that, and you'll see here in a minute. Alright, real easy. Get your protection ready. I recommend 2. If you want to get 1, that's fine too. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. It's your vehicle. Recommendation is 2. You just want to get under here just like that. Real easy. Alright, pry it up. Work your way up like that. Don't worry. You're not going to break anything. It's pretty sturdy and durable. Alright, that's my amateur vinyl job there. You can see. You're going to have to fix that. That's that gloss part right there. Alright, same as right here. Pretty nice. Anyway, put that aside there. Okay, so what you're looking at is this. You really got 4 bolts here. Okay, the same on this side. Alright, the one in the back is probably the hardest you're gonna get. Alright, I've already taken off 2. I've put it back in. I've tried the Dasaita unit, Atoto, different ones, just like to play around with it. Anyway, this is the reason you want this wobble. This one here is pretty easy, but it's the back here. Alright, without this angle, it's going to be really hard. So put it in there. Okay, like so. And lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Like that. And get it working up. Now, you don't want to drop that in there. So you got to be really, really careful. Okay, you can, 1, use a magnet. Or 2, you can use your tool here and get it under like so. Okay, or you could pull it up like that, or just slowly take it out and just use your fingers. It just depends how good your fingers are. Alright, or how small it is anyway. Take your time. Don't rush it. Take it out just like that. Alright, real simple. Do the same thing on the other side. I won't need to see it because I can feel it. You just feel it with you. You can feel that bolt. Slide it under there. And just like that. Alright, same principle applies. Get it up as high as you can. When you think it's loose, put your finger all the way down and grab the bolt and pull it up nice and slow, just like that. Once you get the bolts aside here, all right, what you want to do is pull this straight towards the back of the car. Not up, not sideways, but straight back. You will want to wiggle it a little bit as you loosen it from the clips, like this. Okay, pull it up. Put your protection under there. And just like that, it's all done. Okay? I'm not going to take it off completely, but I just want to show you the clips here. Okay? These are not expensive. You could buy these. I got a bag of them just in case I lose them. Alright? What you want to do is, here, when you loosen up the wires, if you have small fingers or it's hard, use a trim tool like this, or even a screwdriver or a pencil. Alright, you want to work your way from the top to the bottom. Just like this. Just press down on the top and pull it back. Press down, pull back. Press down, pull back. Just like, and you work your way all the way back. Alright, the same thing here. Alright, these are just attached on. See that? I could just pull it out myself. Alright, if not, you can use this tool the same way. Alright, so let me show you in this bigger one. Okay, just pull down, push. Okay, because you're depressing that retaining clip right there. Get this big one there. There you go. Just like that, see? Alright, easy. Okay, so let's put it back together so I can show you how to do it together. Again, once you're done, you can replace it with whatever unit you're going to use, whether it's Ijoying, whether it's a Beat Sonic or the Dasaita head unit, it doesn't matter. Putting it back together the same way. Nice and slow, take your time. Make sure you hear it snap like that. Okay. Everything's proper like that. There you go, okay. Everything's connected good. Now, put it back, the same principle, just go in reverse. Put it here and slide it back. These clips right here will connect here. This clip right there. Okay, so again, clip 1, clip 2, okay, alright, and that's how it goes. So, nice and easy, alright. I mean, you pretty much can't really mess it up because you'll see it lined up centered, okay. If you're off like this, then you know you're way off. It'll all go in pretty easy, see? Even while you're looking at it, you can feel it, okay, like that. And then you're going to hear it click when you push it back, just like this. There you go, alright. There you go. You hear that? Okay. There it is. Yes, it'll be a wobble. Why? Because it's not secured by the screw. But you know it's in place right now. As much as it'll go. Okay? Then, real simple. Put it back together. Again, you could put all 4 back in there if you want. Me, I just put 2 because I know I'm going to change it in the future and play around with it. And I just put in the front. You know, the back is kind of hard. Alright, don't take that out of context there. Okay, then this one here on the far end, pretty much put down there and you can feel it. Okay, after a while, you know, you're getting a little experience, just like anything in life. Alright, the more you do it, the more experience you get, the better you become. Okay, and the better it goes. So tighten it up a little bit, not too tight. There you go. You know, I mean, don't strip the bolt or anything, but nice and tight. There you go, just like that. And don't ask me about no torque settings. I couldn't tell you. It's just there, pretty good. Putting it back the same way, nice and easy. Be careful. You got the notches here. Okay, you got these clips. All right, all 6 of them. And it just goes down here. Get in position, centered. Alright. Just like putting in the radio, you know, you're gonna feel it. Alright, if it's hard to go in, then you know it's not in there correctly. Alright, wiggle it in, get in position, And once you get in positioned, okay, got that side, but the left side is giving me a little hard time here because I'm trying to feel it. So just back out, don't rush it, don't break it, nice and easy. Okay, if you're having a hard time, just get this here in position. All right, because you see that, that's where it goes. Get it in here like that. You know, the best way is to learn from other people's mistakes. Let me see if I can move over here. There you go. All right, so it's in position here. You see how it's kind of level, and just press down, just like that. And there you go, you're all done. All right, pretty easy. Okay. Again, use the tools. You know, that's what they're for. You don't want to use a screwdriver trying to pry it in here. You don't want to damage the dash. And that's about it, folks. You see here, you know, protect your investment. All right, see, nothing fancy, just a little cardboard. Okay, so I can elevate the radio. And that is it, folks. I hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care and stay safe.